I'm stuck! Go on without me! Save yourselves!
We'll get you out. Luke, stay here and don't go near that mud. Grappling hook, go! Mud is so muddy.
I'm sinking in deeper! Help!
Scootio, grab on!
Help!
Luke, no! You'll ruin your picture! I'm not leaving him here! My friends are more important than any picture! Boosters, go! Just a little further!
Phew! Thanks, guys, and thanks...
Huh?
Loop! Oh, no!
I guess I ruined the picture again. Maybe not. We can take the picture now. Now? Trust me. Smile, Loop. If you don't want to keep it, I understand.
Of course I want to keep it. That's my loop. Oh, it's much better than all these other pictures.
You did have pictures of me.
Yeah, I found them, but I like this one best. It shows your true... your true...
Loopness?
Yes, your true loopness.
Nobody has more loopness than me. Luke, get on it and stop it. I can't hold it for long. DJ, I need a ramp.
I am a ramp!
Coming around to go off the ground. This room board has been looped. Next time you catch it, can I be the one to jump on it?
Me first!
Come on! That was awesome! No! Stop having fun! Don't get sidetracked!
Loop?
It's not what you think! It's not what you think!
Huh?
It's not what you think!
What are you doing?
Follow him! Come on, robot! Stop! I can't control it! Whoa! Nothing works! Well, something has to be controlling it. Beep, beep, boop, beep, toot. What is that thing?
I don't know. I found it lying over there. Doesn't it make me look like a robot? Beep.
That's the remote controller for the room board.
It must have fallen out of the box. What's a room board?
There's a rock, a piece of wood, and a cloud. No, wait, the cloud moved. Stop moving, cloud! But there's another rock, another piece of wood, and... See anything?
No.
Wait, now I think about it, maybe it was 2 pieces of wood. I need my ball. I need Bouncy. We can't give up on Bouncy, please. Buddies never leave a bike behind. You guys are the best. Boom! forget. But then I forgot.
Oh, Loop!
All right, time to get bouncy back.
Oops. Oh well, no biggie.
The time capsule! Pouncy! Oh, I've missed you so much!
Come on, Loop. Let's get you back to Maxwell's and get your tyre fixed.
Whoops!
Sorry.
Sorry, kid.
Steel. Awesome.
Well, that's what they call me. Sometimes they call me the Incredible Steel Awesome. But you don't have to.
I'm your biggest fan. You're amazing.
Hey, thanks. Right back at ya. How'd y'all like the show?
We didn't.
We weren't.
I had a flat.
Yeah, pretty amazing, right? Maybe my best ever, except for that ending. Still needs something. Anyway, catch you later.
Wait a minute.
Huh? Hey, do that again, kid.
You mean this?
Yeah? That's it! That's the ending I was looking for! I have to try it right now. You guys want to watch?
Yes. Wow.
Watch out, Muffler Crunk. Ricky Zoom's got power.
Whoa, Loop! Is your crossbar metal? I guess so. Hey, watch this! Ramp is big fun, but this is magnet fun! Not just fun, Loop, science! We need to test all of these controls. Now, what does this one do? Sorry, Loop. Make science go faster!
I want to try. Me too. I want to press the buttons. I can't reach the controls.
Try that one, or this one.
What's it doing? Is that a good noise or a bad noise?
That's a science going wrong noise.
Oh, whoa!
Where did that come from? Those came from way over there. The magnet must be set to super strong pulling power.
Looks like I knocked this button. And it's stuck. But it won't move back.
Let me try. Okay. Oh no, it won't shut off.